Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This questions come from Dr. Nidal. What are signs of endocarditis in neonates? Early signs of endocarditis in neonate may be very subtle, خفية. Heart murmurs, skin abscess, and hepatomegaly are the most common signs found in neonatal patients. The most common sign found in neonatal patients. The findings that one sees in children with subacute bacterial endocarditis, splenomegaly, skin petechial rashes, and splinter hemorrhages are not usually seen in newborn infant. So the sign of endocarditis in neonate 3H: heart murmurs, hidden skin abscess, and hepatomegaly. Any patients or neonate with heart murmur and hidden skin abscess and hepatomegaly, think about the endocarditis, especially or particularly if there is indwelling central venous catheter. طب what about children with subacute bacterial endocarditis? The sign of subacute bacterial endocarditis in children 3S: splenomegaly, skin petechial rashes, and splinter hemorrhage. Neonate 3H: heart murmur, hidden abscess, hepatomegaly. Children with subacute bacterial endocarditis 3S: splenomegaly, skin petechial rashes, and splinter hemorrhages. ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا.